starts with whose birthday party is it? It's Bianca's birthday party. Happy birthday, Bianca.
형 먼저. 나나. Gọi cho đúng không? No. Hey, gọi cho. No, gọi cái rồi. Ayong, gọi cái rồi. No, ayong.
Next comes the letter C.
Nhung em.
C.
Apple.
Let's see who's waiting for the car. It's a cat. Cat starts with the apple now. Bye, Mr. Ant.
Nhung ngồi đây. Nhung sửa xa.
Next comes the letter B. Is for look. Somebody is knocking at the door. Who is it?
I am eating chicken and rice, and my
Starts
little
with
sister is eating
B.
baby food.
There's somebody else.
Your
Who can it
hand.
be? This time it's a butterfly. Butterfly. Oh.
No.
What? Why did you do this? Because I don't want that humor. What am I thinking about exactly?
Well, I figured this door is the way out.